You made a
A biker waits patiently at a traffic signal. The moment the light turns green, a reckless car driver suddenly cuts him off, creating a dangerous situation on the road.
Jesus Christ!
A rider notices a car entering a parking lot through the exit.
It's a fucking exit. Fucking idiot.
While cruising along the road, this rider is suddenly put in danger when a car driver nearly runs him over without even realizing the rider is there.
What the fuck? How? How cannot you see me? How? You just don't look. That's why you don't see.
A rider is stopped by a stranger. Argument explodes into fight.
What is your problem?
Sorry, mate?
What's your problem? Got a problem, have you? With me?
No, I don't.
Why give me the finger? Why come around me being stupid? Well, you got a problem. Sort it out now.
Well, I'm about to be run over by some ass in the car.
I don't give a fuck. Sort it out now.
Look, you're able to leave me alone, mate.
Well, why give me the finger? Come
Can
around
you
me
tell
stupid.
Roachy here to off?
That's my son you're talking about.
Drive past the house one more time, cunt. Oh,
Hey,
I will give it to you, cunt. Because I'm sick of it, right?
okay.
Drive past the house because you've given me the
No, I
finger too.
didn't mean that, though.
Bull.
What about me down
Oh,
there on
okay.
Tottenham Road?
Great.
Yeah, great. Fucking finger good on a motorbike, eh?
You mind?
Do you mind?
I've done nothing to you.
What? This ain't nothing. Coming around me stupid ain't nothing. Huh?
Call cops now.
Tell me where I live.
I will.
Man inside a car gets angry at a biker for filtering through traffic and starts arguing with him.
What can I do for you?
Do you want to f around?
You're the one that's f***ing around, dude.
You were in a f***ing red light and then you cut in front of me.
You're
Didn't
in the f***ing turn lane and then try to get in front of cars.
There's two lanes merging, you dumb f***. Two lanes merging. One car, one car, one
And
car,
I was
one
in front
car.
of you and you speed up to try to get in front. See me flinch?
Next time I won't stop that close if you f around.
Good influence in front of your f***ing kids, dude.
Yeah, yeah. Anytime you see an asshole like this, knock him over his motorcycle. F***ing piece of shit. I
Fuck
ride
off.
too.
Fuck off, dude.
Asshole.
Biker cuts across a car, after which a lady driver stops him and confronts him.
Now, I just want to tell you what a you are, because you almost made me at that turnout out there when you whizzed in front of my car.
I'm sorry, but that's a really hard spot to see if you've
And
never
not
gone
when
up
you're
there.
going as fast as you are. Yeah, you're darn right.
I
it's a
can't
hard
even
place.
go over 45 on this bike.
Sorry.
Here I come. Oh, here I come. Oh.
You cut over from way over. This guy was smart enough to not follow you anymore.
I was ahead of him 50 yards. I couldn't see.
Look.
That's a blind corner. I'm sorry, but it happens.
Well, I was going 35 like I'm supposed to be, and I almost killed you. I mean, I barely missed killing you. And that wouldn't be good for me. So if you want to drive like a, you know.
I wasn't. It was a blind corner. It was an accident.
No.
I already said I was
No,
sorry. It's
it
an
wasn't.
accident. You ride up there and try to get in there.
I did. I turned around and tried to go find you. You cut over from about here and went into that place. You didn't wait to where the entrance was, where people normally look.
That is where people normally go. I know more about this road than you ever will. I ride this almost every day.
Yeah, and someday you're going to get killed on it.
Okay.
This rider got imbalanced while riding. Watch what happens.
È successo? 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 È successo?
Sì, sì, ma tranquilli. Sì, sì, è stata tutta controllata, vai tranquillo.
This rider was cruising casually when suddenly an animal hit him. Can you guess which animal is this?
I hope the person is fine, bro. I'm horrified. I'm shaking, dude.
Aman?
Safe body safe.
Badan aman?
Hey, tremble K and cheer. Body is safe. Nothing. There are no defects. Just this. Just this. Is that why he's shaking?
He fell too. Fall too. Yes, crashed into a motorbike. The main motorbike shook in front of him.
Oh yes.
Horror, horror, horror. Take your cell phone first, bro. Our friend was in front earlier. Let's send him back.
Tomar no cu, viu? Vai ter que ir pro Edu, né? Aí, Edu, sustinho de leve, né?
Nearby neighbor gets angry at ATV riders and starts arguing loudly with them.
You guys are relying on my property, alright? Both of them. I'm sick of it. Where are you guys from? I ain't telling you. You guys are tearing the shit out of my farm back here. You guys better stay off.
I've never rode here.
Huh?
I've never rode here.
Well, just stay off my property.
I just got the bike.
Get out of here. Hey, bro, let's get the frick out of here.
Why you gonna throw a bottle at me?
Get out of here. Come on, bro. Get out of here.
Trying to reach that 500.
Biker chases down a reckless driver who was driving dangerously on the road.
Really soon. Yo, brother. Is it worth driving like that, bro? Is it worth driving like until you kill somebody, brother? You almost hit me, brother.
I didn't almost hit you.
No, yeah, you did. I got everything on camera, brother.
All right, well, we'll talk to somebody.
You don't care? Okay, no, that's fine. You'll have PD right now in 2 minutes right here at your house, bro. Good luck with that.
Lady driver loses her temper and aggressively scold bikers.
That was unsafe. That was completely unsafe.
Yeah, I know.
You slowed down, left lane, all those cars backed up. I went to the right lane. And I went past you, and then you guys took off. And I know you want to race.
I'm sorry.
But that was wrong. And I really, you guys, I don't want you to be organ donors.
Yeah.
And that's what it comes out to.
I'm gonna take off my helmet.
And I gotta tell you, I've been behind someone when they were getting off a Crocker, and the guy was drunk, and he went off. So I
We're
want
just
you
kids
guys to
being
be safe.
stupid. We apologize.
I get it. But you know, it wasn't that hard for me to catch up with you.
Oh yeah, no.
I live in Amherst too.
Yeah.
I want people to be safe, but I just wanted to say to you, don't do that shit.
Sorry, we apologize.
Me, as a parent, I'd be upset if you got hurt.
Yeah.
And you know, find a place that you can go race. Do it. Go ahead.
It's so hard to like not abuse the power of that thing when it goes almost 200 miles an hour. I know. I know. I know. It's hard not to.
So I'm just speaking to you.
Yeah.
Don't do that.
I'm sorry.
So, all right.
Yeah.
All I did was just like, well, I could get off one more exit, but I'm going to follow you and say something.
Yeah, no.
As a concerned citizen.
Yeah.
I could have called the police,
Yeah.
but I don't want to use my phone while I'm driving.
Trust me, I don't use my phone while I'm driving either.
So, okay, guys, have fun, but what about... Where's a place you can go do it?
Drag strip.
Then do it. Don't do it out there. Don't do it coming from Crocker and getting on the highway and fucking with everybody else, okay?
Yeah.
Because there were a lot of people pissed off.
Yeah, I'm sure there was.
Okay?
I'm sorry.
So, okay?
Yep.
Be safe.
Yes, that's it. That's all.
Roadside argument breaks out between bikers and a neighbor.
That's it.
You guys live here?
What?
You guys live here?
Kind of in the area. Am I too loud?
Ridiculous.
Is it too loud?
Too fast.
Too fast? Oh.
Little kids coming out.
What's the speed limit over here?
I guarantee it's not 25 or
25. I didn't see anything going on.
Well, you guys are going way too fast.
Yeah, I know. I'm scanning, making sure. No, obviously, if there's kids out, I'm not gonna even go that speed or anything.
Well, you're lucky my fiance didn't come out. She'd really chewed you.
Oh, jeez. I'm sorry to bother you. This was our last thing, so we'll definitely think about that next time. Sorry about that.